Mansoor and ECB are showing around here, and Luthonians in particular for preparing the ground and hosting. So thank you all so much. For doctors, I can't speak enough. Look, these guys are wonderful. I know all of them personally. They normally are very competitive. I think they let us off today because it was a charity match. But believe me, you know, they're absolutely superb. Weekends, during the week, if there's any death, they're the first ones to give up their family time and support us. And not only that, taking care of us. I think a round of applause for
umpire. Yeah, don't worry. I did as well. You said I did as well.
Can you let me finish, please? I haven't finished. First of all, we need to disqualify you for the standard of umpiring that you've done. So no wonder why I haven't mentioned your name. I think you need to go back to. But Jawan, again, thank you very much for being a wonderful supporter. You played a really important role. So again, and our people who supported us, Razbar Saab and Rana Saab, he is the president of the Lahore Gymkhana, one of the most sought after institutes of cricket in Pakistan. So thank you very much for coming along. And not forgetting the spectators and the ladies who've supported this by, you know, baking, cooking and coming and supporting the young children to be here and enjoying the fun. So guys, thank you so much for putting the side together. And today we thought that for your side. So today we thought that, you know, we lended you some players. They, you know, played an amazing innings, but we felt that it was only right that we select the doctors for the man of the match. And I've been told the stand-up performance, we're not being biased, but I think he's come in for his wonderful cameo. And him being behind the star. So, and he was selected by your team, by the way, not us. But yeah, again, thank you. Wonderful performances all around, and I think great cricket play. And Deepak, honestly, I've been watching you play cricket for a very long time, and that was by far your best performance. So, Rizwan, Bright, Vinod,
this way.
And from our side is Umar. Umar is the man of the match from our side. And Umar, again, you know, he keeps us safe. And keeps our streets safe. Does a wonderful job.
Hold on.
A special thanks to Yasser and Umar, our young police force, Bedfordshire police force, that do a wonderful job. So again, Sufia, not forgetting, and Tariq for amazing commentary, and Mushtaq, thank you very much for coming along and supporting us and all the support behind you.
Good evening, Siraj. Good evening, Siraj. Good evening, Siraj, innit? Good innings, Siraj. Good innings.
Yes, Siraj is a fantastic innings. We know he's a regular player, but you know he does a wonderful job supporting the
Starship bowled well.
Once again, we've said enough. Thank you so much, and good evening. And if you want to stay around, have fun, walk around the club. There's more food around still for you to enjoy. Thank you.
Okay, so now we'd like to call on the NHS team to pick up their trophies first, and then we'll have the winning team come on second. So the NHS team, please, led by the leaders, please. Brilliant. Thank you very much. Brilliant. A round of applause for our wonderful doctors for their absolute commitment and performance today. And thank you for all that you do. Even the pharmacists that sneaked in and the coppers.
Am I giving the wrong?
Which ones are you giving out?
What a flipping! It had to be our
Just take the winning trophies, guys.
Can we have the winners one back, please?
Give the winning trophies, guys. The NHS guys know. Brilliant work from everyone from the NHS Lions for the wonderful work. Thank you very much. There's one man kind enough to return the trophy.
Adi, come on, man.
And he's returning it.
Yeah, enough for you.
Captain,
How do you do that in
trophy.
runners up and this is spare trophy.
The team trophy for the runners-up team, and that's a spare trophy for anyone who wants one. Any doctor who didn't show up, Dr. Monjo, send that to him.
I think it's gone out.
Okay, now on to the winning team. Umpires first. Can we have Adrian Rogers and Mohammed Abdul Jabbar? Adrian Rogers and Mohammed Abdul Jabbar to collect the trophies. Brilliant, well done. Ethan, come out. Celebrate. Yay!
Hey, hold there.
And the other umpire, after his controversial decisions, the no ball that nobody at all in the ground understood, he's vanished. But his son is here.
Yeah, take a photo. Take a photo. Come here.
I reckon we should take the trophy off the son. I know it sounds ruthless, but... Okay, now on to the winning team. Can we start with the winning captain? Oh, winning captain at the grand old age of 25.
No,
31.
wait, no.
MashaAllah.
Trophy the wrong way.
Another one.
Uncle Walaya. Showing age is only a number. Follow a healthy diet.
Come on, come on, guys.
Now on to the winning team.
Where's the rest?
And it's my standout performer.
You smashed it.
Well, make sure you get a snap of Amino.
Yeah, Kashi. Yeah, Manny, snap of this guy out. Yeah. Come here, bro. Go on. Come on. We get pictures out.
And there.
Brilliant performance, Shahbaz Khan.
How many pictures will we take here, man?
The loafer.
Well, trophies coming from everywhere.
Take pictures. Viva, you give one to Ajia, you give one to Viva. I haven't had one since the age of 13 when Uncle gave me one.
Viva, mashallah, has been absolutely brilliant, but he's never won anything.
Oh, he's a runner-up.
Oh,
he's a runner-up.
And that's yours.
Only winners I got Uncle gave it.
That's for the team, yeah? That's yours. And who else was it? Mobin. Where's Mobin?
Mobin.
Mobin.
a trophy for Mobin for looking good.
Model.
Oh, not for turning up.
Where's he? Donnie!
Controversy and
Donnie, come here.
Mobin, where are you?
Mobin was left out.